Hello friends, now you are watching the untamed parrots and pigeons. Come onto your hand and take the food that is on your hand. They are so familiar and they are not scared of people because people are very kind to the animal. So we need to be very kind to the animal and take care of all the sentient beings because they deserve as much as love we deserve. So let us protect the birds, animals, trees for the future generation. Thank you. If you are happy with my video, please subscribe and also give a thumbs up.
Lasci un piccione.
No, il piccione no. Puoi provare.
Non
Would you
senso.
try? Oh no!
Oh,
Sorry.
yeah. Enough fighting. Thank you very much.
Bye.